Greetings everyone, Eric here and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at a very interesting pedal. It is the Hypercoven from Does It Doom. Alright, so firstly I would like to apologize for any background noise. I currently have the window open so that it wouldn't get too hot in here with all the lighting on. But yeah, we're taking a look at the Hypercoven, which I have my phone hopefully recording. It better be recording. Recording pedals and stuff. This is the Hypercoven. It is from Does It Doom. So I'll give some more information on that later. It is basically an octave pedal that is very fuzzy. I will definitely leave a link in the description to where you can check it out on their website. Microphone. But yeah, I thought instead of sitting here talking about what it does and stuff like that, that I would just play and just let you guys hear what it sounds like. So right now, I'm going for my Fender Stratocaster with a Seymour Duncan hot rail in the bridge position. That is going directly into the Hypercoven. Hypercoven is going into my Fuzzrocious Demon pedal. From there, it goes into my Orange Crush Pro 120, into a PV XXX cabinet, which is mic'd up with two microphones, a Behringer C3 condenser microphone, and an SM57, so I'm going to be blending the two of those. I'll be doing a little bit of post-processing, mainly just to get rid of some of the nasty frequencies that I always get rid of on all guitars, period. So I'm just going to be doing a basic, I'll show like a screenshot of whatever EQ curving I decide to do. But, as always, here is just kind of a... So yeah, that is a clean tone. And the only reason I'm even showing you the clean tone is because I want you to hear what this thing does by itself. Now, the Does It Doom guy even flat out admits this pedal is not designed to be used on its own. This is designed to be driving kind of a distortion pedal, fuzz pedal, or the high gain of your amplifier. But just so you can see what it does, I figured, why not have it put in here. It is a one knob pedal, as you can see here. Hopefully you can see here if the freaking camera is working. Yeah, you're still recording. So yeah, it is a one knob pedal. And so, as you can see, it's got a nice purple going on. So yeah, it is an octave pedal. That means it's going to be playing a secondary octave up note. I think it's an octave up under what you're playing. Now right now it's on, but I have the blend off. This is a blend knob, so it adds more or takes away so that you're getting more of your clean signal. So again, you can hear that signal, but as we turn it up, you can hear it doing stuff. Now, like I said, this is not a clean fuzz or a clean octave. If I crank it all the way up, like almost all the way up, as you can hear, it's doing some really weird stuff, especially when you crank it all the way. It's early in the morning, my hands are not warmed up, so don't expect any amazing guitar playing from me today. But the point of this pedal is it's supposed to be used in conjunction with other pedals or the high gain setting on your amp. So let's kick in my Fuzzrocious pedal. Now this has a built-in noise gate, which is handy so you don't hear any weird noises. But this is... So you can hear what that sounds like on its own. So let's add this. I'm just going to have it at full gain as I add this. So as you can see, it does some weird stuff. It is a very interesting pedal when boosting another pedal. Now, what I'll do here real quick is I'm actually going to switch over to the gain channel of my amp. Oh, listen to that lovely noise. That's what happens when you crank the gain on an amp. And let's kick in the pedal. Let's just switch that on so that you don't have to hear that noise for a while. But yeah, as you can hear, this thing does a very weird job. And I honestly love it. Like, I love what it's doing. I love the tone that it gives. Believe me, this pedal is not for everyone. This kind of tone is not for everyone. There's a reason why the person who made it is called Does It Doom. This is designed to be a very nasty sounding octave pedal. It is not designed to be pleasant. This is for good old school, just kind of droney, stoner metal, doom metal, sludge metal, that kind of thing, where you're not exactly looking for the most polished tone in the world. You're kind of looking for that bit of jankiness, which this thing does exceptionally well. It does jank really, really, really well. So yeah, I don't really think I need to go much further than that. This will be a nice short video, hopefully, because that's all that thing does. It just makes a really, really good, gritty, disgusting sound that I think really gets across that feeling of like an octave pedal, but an octave pedal that's clearly like on its deathbed or something. It's just got that brokenness to it. That I think a lot of doom and stoner metal people will really appreciate. So, like, obviously, if you're into that kind of music, you might be able to hear kind of what you can do with this kind of pedal, just based on what you heard from like the way it sounds clean, and it really handles going into distortion, fuzz kind of pedals, or into the heavier channel of your amp. At least I think so. I think this thing sounds amazing. So I just hope that you guys enjoy it as well as I enjoy it. If you did, please leave a comment below on what you thought of this pedal. And would you use this kind of pedal on your pedal board for your sound? I definitely intend to. In fact, I could see this for both rhythm tones as well as some lead tones for some interesting droney stuff. Especially if you were to crank that with a little bit of reverb or like a little bit of a delay and play some very droning lead play kind of stuff going on, very slow and sludgy, I can definitely see this thing just killing it for that kind of tone. So yeah, again, I apologize for the janky setup. This is the jankiest setup I've ever had to do for recording a pedal review, but I don't really have a setup right now where I can do that easily. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the tones you're hearing, or at the very least, you're hearing enough there that you're willing to like go and check out other reviews, which I highly recommend. Go and check out the Does It Doom YouTube channel. He does a lot of great videos. He'll probably be able to show this off way better than I can. He's got better playing skills than I do. He's got better equipment most of the time. So definitely check it out. There'll be a link in the description to where you can just go to the website as well as the YouTube channel. In fact, I'll leave a link to the video. If he has a video on this thing, I'll leave a link to that video. So, thank you again so much for stopping by. Leave a thumbs up, like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you would like to see more of my content. I do art, music, all that kind of stuff. While you're down there, check out links to my Discord where you can give me suggestions on things to draw or things to review. Leave comments, all that good stuff. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.